everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a charm bracelet with the help of my friends at Bead. Now, you may not know this about me, but I have had a charm bracelet since I was about 7 years old. Every time my family would go on vacation, we would stop at these little trading posts, and I would always want a charm. So my mom started putting this charm bracelet together for me, and it is enormous because my friends have been giving me charms for the past 30 years? I'm going to share a picture of my charm bracelet with you so that you can see what it looks like. Now you don't have to wait 30 years to create an amazing chunky charm bracelet. Bead has the most amazing charms and beads, perfect for a project like this. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Bead has an amazing selection of sweet petite charms that look great by themselves on a simple chain or bunched together on a charm bracelet. Mix them with Crystal Lane faceted glass beads and pearls and use their chains and findings sets to put them all together. Here I've picked out several charms to get me going. I love the little sewing machine and the mushrooms, so cute. To hang the beads, I'm putting them on a ball head pin and creating a loop with round nose pliers. This is the perfect way to turn a bead or two into a charm. Push the pin through the bead, wrap the end of the pin around the tip of the plier to create a loop like I'm doing here. Very easy. Make a bunch of these before you put your charm bracelet together. Next, I'm taking a chain and findings set in matching metal to create the bracelet. There's enough left over to make a choker too if you want to. Simply measure around your wrist and cut the chain, then add a lobster claw closure with a jump ring, and then a large jump ring on the other end to create the chain that you'll be hanging the charms from. Now that everything is laid out, I'm going to attach the charms and beads along the chain with jump rings. Nothing is set in stone when you're making a charm bracelet, you just have to like the way it looks. And I find it looks much better if you attach your charms on the same side of the links all the way across the chain. There you have it, a chunky little charm bracelet that you can keep or give to a friend. And here it is, my charm bracelet, 30 years in the making. I'm going to leave a link for Bead and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.